After upgrading the backup server from version 6 to 9, how can one perform a cyclic redundancy check for legacy backup sets created in version 6 for backup clients installed on operating systems with or without a graphical user interface? To perform a cyclic redundancy check for a backup set, you can use the run single user rebuild.do API with the check CRC option enabled. Take note, this video assumes that the reader has basic knowledge on JSON. For your reference, you may check the table for the parameters of run single user rebuild.do. Take note, all keys that are in bold are considered mandatory fields. Take this API URL as an example for your API call. Administrators can use applications such as Postman, which is a third-party tool used as an example, but you may utilize other applications as desired to test this API call. To do the testing, open your chosen tool. Ensure that the HTTP method is set to post. Select the Body tab. Below the tab, select Raw. On the drop-down menu at the far end of the field, select JSON. For the URL field, enter the following, where CBS hostname is the hostname or IP address of your Ahsay CBS server. For the string body, enter the following, where the system and system1 are the login credentials of an Ahsay CBS admin account with admin or API role. Keep is the login name of the corresponding backup account, while the 13-digit number refers to the ID of the backup set to be rebuilt, with CRC enabled. Click the Send button beside the URL. The run single user rebuild.do will return status as OK if the CRC job is started successfully. Now, to check on the progress of a CRC job, log in to the Ahsay CBS console. Select Backup or Restore Logs. Select Activities Log. When the rebuild job is started, the following log entry can be found. When the rebuild job is completed, the following log entry can be found. Take note, a cyclic redundancy check can only be started when there is no backup job running on the corresponding backup set. The time taken to complete the CRC job depends on a number of factors, such as the number of files or folders in the backup set, the number of backup sets, the hardware specifications of your Ahsay CBS server, such as the disk I/O and CPU performance, and if there are other resource-intensive jobs running.